So you might be in a situation where you are completely locked out of your iPhone. So maybe you're trying to go through and you're trying to basically just like try to connect to some sort of iPhone, or you're trying to go through and get into your home screen, but you can't remember the passcode. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, you should be able to go ahead and if you try to type in your passcode too many times, there should be a little prompt that should come up that will tell you that, you forgot your passcode or your iPhone's unavailable. And there could be a little option at the bottom that tells you that you forgot your passcode, and you can click on it. And instead, it will actually allow you to enter in your Apple ID password. So you can go through, enter in your Apple ID password, and then you can go and click reset passcode, and it will allow you to reset your passcode that way. So that is an option that you basically have. Another option that you have, and I would not recommend doing this, so try that first method. Try going back through your notes and see if you can find some sort of passcode. If you have another way of kind of remembering your passcode, try doing it that way, ask some people. If you can't do it, the only other option is to probably erase your iPhone, factory reset your iPhone if you have your passcode, if you have your password, and you can try doing it that way as well. So this would involve you going to icloud.com/find. So go to icloud.com/find, just like this. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to type in your iCloud account, and it will allow you to not only find your iCloud accounts, but it will also allow you to erase your iCloud accounts too. So you can go through, erase your data, erase your information. That's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation as well. So that's basically all you got to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.